make these people aware, and when you do this, what happens is these people get freaked out. They end up wanting this instead of a regular remote. How's everybody doing today? Got my coffee. Oh, shoot, I gotta change the battery. The battery's about to die. Anyway, I'm going to pick up a shipment of these little remote controls. You can hook them up and upsell them. I've been selling the crap out of them. They're garage door remote control. They go right on your dashboard. You can punch in the code and press enter. That way people can't break into your house by just pushing the regular button. I'll be loading them up. I'll show you when I get there. And I'm going in my car to pick them up. So they're not that big. They come in cases. That's what I'm doing right now. Anyway, talk at you. Okay, I just picked up all these boxes. These are really easy upsells on customers that are worried about safety, which everybody is. They're great to have on your truck, and then whenever someone needs an extra remote, you could say, hey, I got these ones of the new model. You got an older opener or whatever. Anyone can get in your house. All you got to do is point out to them that any thief that wants to rob your house, they target parking lots, shopping centers, long-term parking at the airport, all that stuff. Or they even break into your car right in front of your house. Most people just leave their remote up on their visor or in their glove box. They break in, they get that remote, and then they got the keys to your house now. This is what you tell people, and it puts them in kind of a panic kind of mode. Make these people aware, and when you do this, what happens is these people get freaked out. They end up wanting this instead of a regular remote. Then they'll want extra remotes too, or they'll want their kid to have one when they go to school. I was selling these for like, I think it was $249 for the main unit, and the additional remotes are in the little box. I was selling that for $79, so I was getting 300 and something for each one of these boxes, which I could get you these for in the $20 range. They got the warranty and all that in there, and they got the remote in there like that, the radio and the little transformer. It's easy to hook up, and you can hook these up to any garage door or gate opener. You can hear it. Listen. They make a little beeping noise. They light up. They come in silver as well. They're like a gold silver instead of black. If you guys are interested in getting these, I can dial you in and you'll be getting cases like this. You have to buy I think 3 cases and you'll be a protected dealer. Just either call our number 415-637-7514 directly, or you can also schedule a call at www.garagedoortrainingschool.com. People love those little remotes. So I keep them with me and I sell them all the time. You guys could do the same thing and mark them up. You can get $325 for 2 remotes with it, and you can get the whole thing like $20 something for the main unit and like $10 for the second remote. So you can make good money on just the parts, and hooking it up, it takes you like 2 minutes. Just don't hesitate, get a hold of me and I can get you in on making you a dealer. So anybody around you that needs them, they'll be referred to you and then they'll contact you directly. All right, so that's what I do. So nobody can buy them in my area. They got to go through me, through the company. Anyway.